I am driving across the desert in a car with no air conditioning. So here is how I do my own do-it-yourself air conditioning. I've got this battery powered fan that's solar. So on the back, there's a solar panel that keeps it charged. If you want one, there's a link in the description. You could probably use a fan plugged into your cigarette lighter as well. This one has the USB charging, so you could plug it in all the time if you needed to. And then a giant AOC, no, not AOC, that's a politician, giant AO cooler, I guess that is AOC. The giant AO cooler full of ice. I've got 20 pounds of ice in here, so the blower powered by the sun is blowing cold air at me. And is it great? No. It's like my mom always used to say. You'd say, hey mom, is that good? She'd say, it's better than being stabbed in the eye with a pointy stick. So it's better than a sharp stick in the eye. It's not as good as factory air conditioning, but this is better than nothing. It's worth trying if you've got an empty passenger seat. And I found that I stay cooler if I put my hand in here, let one hand freeze, and then the blood goes through it and cools the rest of my body, kind of like a fin on a dolphin. So whatever works. You can also grab some and drop it down your pants. Lots of options here. All right, so I was running this thing for 8 hours at top speed. Now it'll turn on and then it dies. So I guess 8 hours, even when full sun, is about all you're gonna get out of this crybaby. So what we'll do is charge it up overnight and try again. Ice report, there's a little bit of the top bag of ice left. And then I have a second bottom bag that's still hard. So we'll cut that open and run on that tomorrow and see how we do. Official car temperature is 82.4 degrees right there on my temperature watch. And at night on the end of day 2, 20 pounds of ice is mostly gone. There's a couple of chunks, but I would guess it cooled the car down maybe 5 degrees.